All right, today I'm going to show you to make avocado toast. It's really good. First thing you're going to need is toast. I have toast. If you check the description part of the page, I'll leave a link on how to make toast. All right. Next, you're going to need a ripe avocado, which I have right here. You're going to need a lime. Some people choose to use lemon, but I use a lime. You're going to need garlic. You can actually use powdered garlic, but I don't have powdered garlic. All I have is fresh garlic and some seasoning, okay? The seasoning of choice today is ground chipotle pepper, all right? And also, you're going to need some salt to taste. Tastes good. All right, and so I'm going to go ahead and get started, all right? First, I'm going to put my toast to the side and some of my seasoning to the side, and I'm going to cut open me avocado, all right? So I'm going to take the avocado, and I'm going to be very careful because knives can be sharp. And I'm just going to cut it around just like this on the avocado, so it's cut in half, just like this, all right? Then I'm going to take the avocado and I'm going to split it open. It should come open like that. And I can either choose this side with seed or this without. I don't feel like pulling out the seed, so I'm just going to take the avocado and then I'm going to do some cuts in the avocado like this. Please forgive me, avocado. Down the middle. And when I'm doing it, I'm not cutting through the skin. I'm just feeling the skin and dragging the knife along like that. And then I'm going to turn it and I'm going to do a cross cut like this. Just keep on doing cross cuts all down there. All right. Just like that. Looks really cool, right? Yeah, it does. All right. And then I'm just going to bounce it like this just to get some of the avocados loosened up. You see it coming up like this? Really cool, right? Really cool. All right, and then I'm going to take a bowl. Okay, let me get a bowl. And then I'm going to just press the avocado. It should come out nicely like this. And if it doesn't, you can just take a spoon. Take a spoon and then scoop all the rest out. Be careful not to get this crunchy right here. This is a crunchy head part, that little thing right there. All right, and then take the avocado and put it into a bowl like this. All right, now we are getting places right now. And so what I'm going to do next, push this a little bit to the side. All right, I'm going to start putting my seasoning in. Now I'll put my seasoning in because when I mix it, it'll mix well. So I have ground chipotle seasoning, all right? I'll just sprinkle some in here. Ground chipotle. All right, got some ground chipotle in there. And then I'm going to take my lime. Some people choose to use a quarter of a lime, but I try to use a half a lime, all right? I'm going to put that in. Make sure you don't get the seeds in there, all right? All right, got 2/4 of a lime. Oh, shoot. Dropped it. It's only 2 seconds, so it's still healthy. All right. So I have that in there. Then I'm going to take a little bit of salt to taste. Tastes good. And then a little bit of ground pepper. And then I'm just going to mash this all up really quick. Now, if it doesn't mash, you may need to take a fork to do this. Mash it and just stir it up. All right, so you see I'm mashing it up. Zoom in close so you can see the texturity. I'm gonna mash it up. Make sure that you mash up the avocado. You may have some chunks in there, but it's okay. Some people like the little chunks in there. I happen to like it. And so once you do that with a fork, you see I switched over to a fork. I'm just gonna take my spoon and put that in there. Oh, and I forgot to add the garlic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the garlic. Remember, you can use garlic powder if all you have is garlic powder. I have fresh garlic. I'm just going to grate the garlic in there just like this. Now, the beauty with garlic and the seasoning is, like, if you were to make this at nighttime and let it sit in the fridge overnight, by morning, come morning, you're going to have a whole bunch of flavoration going on where it can be really good. So I'm just going to stir in that garlic like that. Looking real good. All right, it's looking good. All right, so I'm going to zoom out. Now that I have this mixerated, all right, I'm going to take some of this and get my piece of toast, and then just take some on the toast and just spread the love across the toast. Look at that. Spread the love across the toast. All right, and that's how you make avocado toast. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.